pretty quick. Permits were pretty fast. The work, they were very fast. They were in and out. We figure had 17 windows. They were done in a couple hours. Cleaned up after themselves. Not much to do. Maybe a little paint, like in 2 windows. I might have to paint. So it was pretty good caulking work they did too. So I'm pretty happy with the work. They had a couple different people. They called me right away when the permits were ready. And you had someone else that called me when they were going to install the windows. And they have like there's like a certain, they have a staff that does certain things, so they're always pretty much on top of the game. I love them. Brooke, you like the windows?
I love them.
Your room's colder now, right?
Yes, it feels so cool, but I'm very cold at night.
Yeah. Yeah, they're nice. They're nice tint. I love it. Sometimes it looks like the window's open, especially this back one here. I love this one. My favorite. They're a great company. If you're interested in a quality window, a good quality window, Paradise is probably the route you want to go.